Hi folks, how are you all doing today? Today it's time for learning how to paint backdrops and sprites. Okay, so there are some tips and tricks I'm gonna share with you all to for a smooth painting or drawing the backdrop or a sprite. Okay, we've already discussed about how to paint a new backdrop, how to draw a new sprite, right? But yeah, let's see in detail on how to paint them properly. Okay, so I will tell you when you click on paint option, you move to this paint screen, right? Wherein you can actually fill the color. So fill the backdrop color. If let's say you wanna fill a plain color, okay, how would you do that? Click on convert to bitmap, right? And then you can choose some color and you can do it. Okay. So today we're going to learn all these kind of tips and tricks on how to paint a backdrop properly. So all the features which are available in the painting thing, right? So this is going to be our concept for today. So without any delay, let's get quickly started with that, right? So I've chosen, let's suppose I've chosen this color, right? Then I've already converted it to bitmap now. So I'm just clicking on the screen. Oh wait, click on fill tool. This is the fill tool. When you click on the screen, it would fill the color. This is how simple it is. Okay. Now after filling the color, so don't just use these options to draw something or to write something on the screen. Okay. No. So just click on convert to vector, right? So what happens in vector drawing is it will not be pixelized. Okay. So and the drawing will go smoothly. The text also will appear very smooth. Okay. So that's why you have to start drawing things or painting things in vector only. I would recommend to do that, right? And in bitmap, what happens is it pixelizes the thing, so those diagrams or paintings doesn't look that good. Okay, so is what I feel like, right? And so you have a select tool, you have a reshape tool, brush tool, eraser tool, text tool, circle, line, and rectangle. Okay, all these are available here. So what does the select tool do? Let me quickly write something over here. Let's say I want to create a game over backdrop. Oh wait. So first you will have to choose the color. I'm choosing a black color, clicking here, and then starting to type. Game over, right? Now here you have this font thing. You can actually use any font whichever you like, and you can increase or decrease the color by just clicking on it, right? Let's say now I'm just clicking on circle, but I just thought of that I don't want to keep this game over here, but I want to keep it some elsewhere. Okay, so then just click on the select tool, click on it, and then you can move it anywhere, wherever you would like to, right? So this is how simple it is with this select tool. Okay, and then let me just draw a circle here. So I'm just drawing a black circle here. Okay. If I want to reshape this, then I can use the reshape tool. Just click over here and then you can move it however you want, right? So just click over here, then take it in. Let's say click over here, take it in. I mean, if you want a different shape, I mean to say, right? So it's not necessarily that you only have to do this thing or you can only do this. So it all depends, right? How you want the thing to be. Okay. So again, if you want to do something, click on it, click on the shape, and start with the reshape if you want to reshape things, right? So let's say I want to move it like this. Let's say I'm clicking on it and I want to move it like this. So you can do anything you would like to over here. See, see how it is, right? That's how simple it is to reshape things. Okay, you can draw anything with the reshape. Let's say you want to use brush and you want to underline something. So like this is a freehand drawing which you're doing using brush. Okay, like a freehand drawing. Okay. If you want to increase the thickness, you can absolutely increase it using this. If you want to erase something, you can just take the eraser tool, just try to erase it like that. Okay. So you can completely erase whatever you don't want. So it's this is how simple it is to do things over here, that's it. It's gone, right? And then fill tool is if you want to fill a shape. Let's say I'm just clicking on this using mouse pointer, I'll click on it. Okay. And then I'll use fill. Okay, we need not. So let's say I'm choosing a red color to fill that. Okay. See, that's it. You can use fill tool to fill, and you can use line tool to draw a line. Okay. You can use a rectangle tool to draw a rectangle, right? So it's very simple. So I hope you understood all these things. You can also reshape your rectangle, like if you want to reshape it like anyhow, however you would like to. So you can do it, okay, like you can see here. And in any way possible you want to do it, you can absolutely do it. Okay. So cool, isn't it? So reshape tool is absolutely cool to use. Okay. Now when I just click over here, click bitmap using fill tool, I am just doing this thing, right? Here also you have text, so you can absolutely type something and do game over. Okay. And then if you want to increase the size, you can definitely you do increase the size, right? And then you have the same line tool over here. See, it is pixelized. Here it is pixelized. Okay. Brush tool, then circle tool. If you draw a circle, see, it is a pixelized one which is being drawn here, right? So this fill tool, let's suppose I'm choosing some other color now. That's it. Okay. And then you can use select tool to delete some part of the drawing. Let's say I'm just selecting this part, right? If I click on delete, I can delete it. Okay. If I select something like this, if I click on copy and if I click on paste, you've got another one of it. Okay. So how much ever you select, that big thing you will be getting. Okay. If you only select the circle part and paste it, so you would copy it and then paste it to get it. See, so it is also carrying that red colored thing, right? So you can select something and you can delete it, okay, in this way, or you can just copy paste that one, right? So eraser tool will allow you to erase something on the screen. Okay, see, it erased it all. And then if you want to write something or draw something again on this, absolutely you're free to do that. Okay, so this is how it is. Like bitmap also will allow you with all the options possible to draw, and vector also will allow you. But in bitmap, you can see that pixelized thing happening here, right? So pixelation happening here, right? And in vector you will not see that kind of a thing. And you can see there is a reshape tool which is very much easy and simple to use, yet it is very much useful, right? If you want to create some different kind of shapes, so that's only possible with the reshape tool, right? So like you can see I have created so many kind of shapes here. Likewise, you can draw any other shape possible if you want to. Okay. So and you can create things like these, right? So this is about it. And you have undo button also over here to undo something. You can group something, right? Like using the select thing. Wait. It's not being draggable. Why is that so? So if I just say it's it's moving the entire thing. Oh my god. Okay. Usually what happens with group is you can group some elements. Okay. So and you can also ungroup them if you want to, right? Like let's say, oh wait, and I will just say I will draw some circle, rectangle, lines like this, and I will use select tool, and if I just draw like this, click on group, they all will be grouped now. Okay, if I want to move them, let's say, see, all at once I can actually start moving. Okay, if you want to ungroup them, you can ungroup them. Okay, and you can move them individually now, right? So that's how it is. You can use the rotate tool to rotate any shape possible. Okay, you can rotate any shape using the rotate tool here. Click on it and just rotate it. Click on it, rotate it however possible. Okay, right? So this is how it is. That is about group and ungroup. Okay, and then so you also have flip horizontal and flip vertical. I will show this to you on a sprite, or on the cat sprite. We can see that when I say flip horizontal, it horizontally flips itself. If I say flip vertical, it vertically flips itself, right? Like vertically flipping thing. Okay, so these are some things. This is outline. Let me show you over here. If I just want to draw a rectangle like this, but do not have outline over here. Okay, so let's suppose I want to choose some outline with some thickness. I've chosen black color with 15 or 16 thickness, right? Let's say I don't want to fill it, then so I'm just clicking on the fill option, click on this line. See, you're only getting the border, but you're not getting the color filled, right? So if you want to create something like this, you can absolutely use it. So when you click on this option here, right, this will remove the color. Okay, only outline color will be visible. Let's say you don't want outline itself, you can remove that also. Okay, if you want to fill it, you can again fill it with any color possible, likewise. So you can do this like this. And not only that, if you want to pick a color from the screen, let's say, right? So I'm just clicking on this. If I'm just clicking on this color picker tool, so if you want to pick any color from here, right, you can absolutely pick it, and then you can use that, right? So if I want to show you over here, so this is the draw backdrop which is already there, right? I'll click on convert to vector first. Let's say I'm just using the circle here, and then I just want to fill it. I'm using color picker. I just want to fill it with this color or this color, let's suppose. See, it is actually giving me the same color. Okay, that's how it is. You can use the color picker tool to pick the color. Click on it, then click somewhere wherever you like. It will automatically give that particular color over here. Okay, so let's say I want to use this color. See, it's giving that color. Okay, likewise you can choose any color possible over here to give that to get that thing applied wherever you want to. Okay, so I hope we spoke about all the options over here, right? So click on back. This is back, this is front. Okay, so likewise let me also click on the sprite. Click on this, select it, front, forward. It does nothing. Okay, flip horizontal and flip vertical. I hope you understood how this works, right? Here also you have fill, outline, and costume you can draw. So this is like the same options you will be having in both backdrops and sprites also, right? So in backdrops you will be drawing backdrop, and in sprite you will be painting a sprite. That's it. So there's no big difference between the paint options you have and the things which you have to do, right? So this is all about the painting thing in backdrop and sprites. Okay, I hope you all got some good information about it and some good insights related to these, right? So I'll be meeting you all in the next session. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. So please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Bye bye and have a great day, all.